to another vlog. If you're new here, my name is Valen Kitchener. If you've been here before, welcome back, girl. Just like the title says, we're going to New York. Y'all, it's been a while since I left my house, so you can clearly see that I'm excited. But first, I'm flying to the DMV where my friend and I were meeting there, and then we're taking the train to New York. The main reason why I'm going to New York is for this conference called The Sound of Revival 2025. If you know, you know. And then after that, we're gonna do some like cute stuff in the city, just visit, go out to eat. New York has so many great places to eat, and I'm excited for that. So I just wanted to come on here and just introduce the vlog. I gotta go, y'all. I have to run because I'm almost late to the airport, but I will see you guys once we get to the airport. Wait, first, before I move forward, I just wanted to shout out every one of you guys that supports my channel and just engages with my channel. And also I wanted to say thank you to every new subscribers. Welcome to the family. I hope you guys like this video. Yeah, enough of me talking. Gotta go to the airport. I'll see you guys once we get to the airport.
Please pay attention.
Hey guys, this part is going to be a voiceover because I forgot to pick up my camera and tell you guys what we're doing. It's the next day. I arrived in the DMV, and right now we are headed to the train station to catch our train to the city. So yeah, I'll see you guys once we get to New York. Welcome. Thank you. We are in New York. You guys, I'm so excited. I've been to New York so many times, but every time I come here, it feels like my first. I don't know, but anyways, the main reason we're here in New York is for a conference called The Sound of Revival. So that's what we're doing today and tomorrow. Here is my outfit. I'm ready to go. Just waiting on my friend to get ready, and then we're out. I'll talk to you guys once we get there. Good morning, you guys. It is day 2 in New York. Yo, I love New York so much. Anyways, it's been a while since I spoke to you guys. I think the last time we spoke was when we arrived in New York and we're going to the conference. Today is day 2 of the conference and I am excited. Literally, yesterday was so beautiful. Amazing gospel singers like Nathaniel Bassi was there, and the message from Apostle Joshua Selman was a 10 out of 10. Honestly, it wasn't really a message. Like, I just felt like God took over that whole entire like session. But today it's day 2. We have 2 different sessions. There's one at 9 a.m. and there's another one at 5 p.m. It's currently, what time is it? It's currently 7. 7 a.m. so we have to get going. We're gonna take the train to Long Island because that's where it's around. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here and say hi to you guys and talk to you guys a little bit. Tomorrow I would definitely have time for you guys. We're gonna like explore the city, go out to eat a little bit, and do some fun stuff before we leave. The main reason why I was in New York was mainly for this conference, but I was like, it would be great for me to like vlog a little bit. So yeah, I will talk to you guys later on.
When it comes to productivity, we are productive by excellence. The Bible says an excellent spirit was upon Daniel. When it comes to influence, God has given us a space because the gift of a man can make room for him and can bring.
We sing that song, Church is a shine, blue one. We get really hopeless.
Good morning, you guys. It is the next day. It is our last day here in New York. Y'all, my voice is gone. Literally, I was screaming and singing yesterday so much that my voice is gone. But today we have something cute planned. Like I told you guys yesterday, we are gonna go grab some matcha, and then after that we're gonna go grab some food. But first we're gonna like do walking around New York, Times Square, just to like visit a little bit, and then we're gonna grab matcha and grab lunch. So yeah, that's the vibe. Let me show you guys my outfit, y'all. I'm wearing my, wait, I'll show you guys better in the mirror in the bathroom. Okay, so here's my outfit. I'm wearing this white shirt and some shorts from Fashion Nova, and this red bag for some pop of color. My shades. Yep, let's go visit New York. We're walking to Blank Street. It's a matcha's place that everyone has been raving about it on TikTok, so we're gonna go try it to see how good it is. But yeah, I'm with my bestie in the trenches. We is not in the trenches. Oh my gosh, we is not in the trenches, girl. Y'all, New York is something else. Like, I used to think I wanted to live here, but nah. Respectfully, I love New York to like visit. It's cute, but living here is a workout, not gonna lie. Honestly, I'm gonna like rate this a 7 out of 6.
I rated it an 8. It's good matcha. Maybe it's just sweet. Maybe I like the sweet part.
I don't know. I rate it like, it's not too sweet. I mean, I rated it a 7. I rated it a 7. So you rated it 8.
Yo, it's not bad. And it tastes like authentic matcha. Like,
Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come in this place.
Can we have a table for 2, please?
pasta, really hot plate. Be careful. For you. Chicken sandwich and buffalo honey sauce and blue cheese on the side.
Ma? Strong. What is pretty strong as this one? Strong.
Okay guys, this is where we're closing this New York vlog. Right now we are checking out of our hotel and then we're gonna take the train to the DMV where I'm gonna catch my flight back home. You guys, this was such a fun vlog. At the same time, it was such a life-changing experience and just glorifying God in the ways that we can. If you like this video, remember to like, comment, and share. Let me know what you guys think. I'll see you guys in my next vlog.